Hello, welcome back. This time we'll do example number 3. We'll graph the function f of x equals 2 over x squared minus 4. Our step 1 is already here. We already have our rectangular coordinate system plane. And let's solve for step 2. Step 2 is on the vertical asymptote and the horizontal asymptote. So a vertical asymptote, remember that it is equal to the denominator equals 0. So we do transposition. We extract the square root of both sides. So x will be plus and minus 2. For our horizontal asymptote, if you notice the degree of the numerator is 0, the degree of the denominator is 2, and this one is greater. So based on our lesson last time, if the denominator's degree is greater, then the horizontal asymptote is at y equals 0. Let's go to step number 3. Let's plot our asymptotes. Let's start with the vertical. It's 2. Could not just make this one straight. And then the other one is negative 2. Then we have our horizontal asymptote is y equals 0. So here at the x-axis. Let's go to step number 4. Let's have our x-intercepts. Our x-intercept is based on the numerator. And if you see there's no variable in the numerator, so we don't have any x-intercept. For the y-intercept, it's based on the constant terms. So we have 2 for the numerator, negative 4 for the denominator. So we have negative 1/2. Let's plot it. Negative 1/2 is here. Now, we'll go to step number 6. Let's make table of values. And if you notice, we have 2 vertical asymptotes. So let me first start to the left. Let's plot 2 for the left and 2 for the right. Then let's also plot for the middle. 5 this time. Okay, so this is x equals 2. The other is x equals negative 2. Let's plot 2 points to the left of x equals negative 2. So for example, we have negative 3 and negative 5. When we plot 2 to the right of x equals 2, we could have 3 and 5. Then we plot 5 points in the middle between negative 2 and 2. So we can have negative 1.5, negative 1, 0, 1, and 1.5. You could pause this video and solve for the values of y. But you could also solve it this way. So it's 0.095 for 3, that's 0.4. Same with the other side. For the middle, then after solving, we could plot like negative 5 and this one. Negative 3 and 0.4. It's very near to each other. Draw the graph. On the right side, it's still the same. Sorry, here. This one. In the middle, it will look like this one. It's very near to each other. Here, it's a parabola, opening downwards. So this will be the picture, a rough picture of our graph. And again, our domain, we have all real numbers except plus and minus 2. For our range, we have all real numbers except 0. And if you want to take a better look at our graph, it's also found in our module in page 79 here. This is a better view of the graph for the function f of x equals 2 over x squared minus 4. This ends our discussion for example number 3.